60 frames per second and a wider than normal view. Usually I have it set on lineal, but we're going to try a wide view just to see what happens. I know it's windy today and I got my wind buffer on. I'm only going to film things of interest along this bike path. We just passed Moat Marine Laboratory, so that was interest. This is Boy Scout camp on the left. I guess that's interesting too. But in here, this is the Kemp Channel Fishing Bridge parking area. You cannot have RVs, trailers, or oversized vehicles